Alright, number 3, they ask us to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle with side length 14 centimeters. When I ask you to give the exact answer, I'm not asking you to round to the nearest tenth, I'm asking you to write it in root form, if you get a root. So, let's first draw our equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has all sides equal, so I'm going to put tick marks here. They gave us 14 centimeters as the side length, and they want us to find the altitude. First of all, besides all sides being equal, I know all angles are 60 degrees, so I'm going to label that here. So an altitude, when you draw it, it has to be perpendicular to one of the side lengths. So if I draw a, whoa, what just happened? I'm moving the thing, I don't know how. Alright, if I draw a perpendicular line here, make sure you write your 90-degree angle, and that's our altitude. So we need to find the length of that. Right now, if I look at my picture, I actually have a 30, 60, 90 triangle here. So I'm going to draw that to the side. This was the 60 degrees. We know this is 14 centimeters. And that means this is the 30 degrees. And I need to find the altitude, so I'm going to name that x. So if I use my reference triangle, 30, 60, 90, I'm going to draw the chart here, 30, 60, 90. I know the ratios are 1 root 3, 2 for the side lengths. So if I look at my picture, across the 30, there's nothing. I don't even need that column, in fact. I'm going to just cross it out. Across the 60 is x, that's what I need to find, and across the 90 is 14. So to find my scale factor, I look at the column that has both numbers, that's the 90 column, and I ask myself, starting with 2, what would I multiply 2 by in order to get 14? Well, that would be 7. So my scale factor is 7. So I need to multiply all sides by 7. So x, the altitude, is just root 3 times 7, or 7 root 3. This would be the exact answer.